So when picking your global context, you click on Choose Items, and here are the 6 global contexts. They are not subject specific. They are the same 6 global contexts for all the subject groups. Once you decide on your global context, you click on it, and all the explorations that correlate with that global context will come up, and then you can click on it, and once you click off, you save unit, and that'll show up. And this will help you create your statement of inquiry, because remember, your statement of inquiry is your conceptual understanding plus your exploration. So again, you click on the drop-down menu to have all the global contexts come up, and the corresponding explorations will be there. Also, if you hover over the eye, there are further directions here, including the purpose of the global context, and also a little 3-minute video on choosing a global context that fits with your unit and the corresponding exploration.